done writing.
Wow, good job, baby Gab. So, can I see your work? Wow.
And this the jelly.
So you did a great job today. Uy,
What?
your paper. You did a great job today
I was so
for writing. For tracing the dots
I was so
and
that's
learning
over
how
there.
to write a alphabet.
There it is. The dots I'm showing.
No, don't throw things. Okay, pick up your booklets. Pick it up.
No, I'm showing.
Okay.
Hey, hello guys. I put the butterfly duck on my head.
Wow, you did a great job. This is your work today. Oh, see guys, he answered the book. So he counted the candle right here and then he encircled the number. Awesome. You have a right answer. It's number 2. For this one, 3 candles and he encircled number 3. So still correct. And for the 4 candles right here, the cake, on the cake right here, it's number 4. So still correct. Good job, baby Gab. Wow. You have a fantastic answers. Oh, you're sleepy?
I'm so sleepy.
Okay.
But
Galing ng answer ni Gab Gab. Yun ang kanyang books numbers. Which is age 3+.
Oh, I'm so morning.
Good morning.
But I'm so tired.
Okay lang.
Mommy, I'm tired. Please, can I have a rest?
Sure, you can have a rest.
Please, can you tie those books, man?
What do you mean?
Can tie those books?